Think you need a big team to get your time back? I found the opposite to be true. See, most people assume that once your business hits a certain level, you have to start hiring because growth must mean more hands. But the right systems can do the work of 5 team members without the costs, the meetings, or the management headaches. I've run a 2-person business for over a decade, and we're right in the middle of the 6-figure range. And we've done it without a big team because we trained in the last couple of years AI agents to handle the repeatable work. Let me show you why I've avoided hiring, what actually makes our business run, and the 3 things I would automate first if I were starting today. Hiring, it sounds like freedom, but in reality, it means training new people, paying salaries or contractors, managing performance, hoping they'll stay. Instead of asking, who can I hire? I started asking, what tasks can I repeat every single week? And can AI or a system handle this instead of a person? Hiring, it works for some, but it's really not the only path. Sometimes less management, it equals more freedom. That's what I've experienced. How do we actually run a multiple 6-figure business with just 2 people? Our secret. It's not long hours or hustle. It's systems. And here's what it looks like in practice. In content creation, we've got a team of AI agents that turn 1 transcript into posts, emails, and more scripts. Client onboarding, it's automated workflows that handle the entire setup from signing contracts to onboarding, lead follow-up. We have a team of AI that drafts and sends responses in my voice. We step in where the real connection matters, but the repeatable work, my AI team handles it for me. See, the thing is, you don't need a big team, you just need a smart one. And sometimes the smartest team, it isn't a human. It's trained agents running in the background. You want to test this without overhauling your entire business? Start here. Don't try to automate everything. Focus on what are your biggest energy drains. If I was starting over today, start with content repurposing. 1 piece of content, you feed it a transcript from a video, you get all kinds of pieces of content in minutes from that 1 transcript. Then email follow-up. You want to get an agent that will help you with that, giving you consistent responses that are on brand, that sound like you. Client onboarding, done. Smoother starts without manual back and forth going, having to repeat everything over and over again when you could just automate it easily. These 3 things free up entire days of work without hiring, managing, or paying a team. So again, I'm going to leave you with this. You don't need a big team to run a smooth, high-level business. You just need the right systems, the right automations, and in my case, trained AI agents working quietly in the background. Want to see how I set it up? Drop team in the comments, and I will send you the behind-the-scenes AI team roadmap, the exact way I run a multi-6-figure business with only 2 people.